Okay guys, hello. I have the video that has audio, and yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking at this point so y'all can hear. And also, there's a bit of Kaiju Paradise Rule 34 that I forgot to blur, so I swear, if y'all report me for doing inappropriate, if you have a channel, I'm reporting you for misleading. So, it isn't my fault I forgot to blur it out, cause like, I know it isn't my fault. Oh yeah, that's my voice. That was the video that I originally did, and it didn't get taken down. No one just never saw it. And guess what? If you see my video, if you see that video on YouTube, guess what? I forgot to blur out the inappropriate stuff. So don't blame me. Oh, that was just the original video that I made. Like, then I quitted. Okay guys, that's the end of my video. Bye bye.